Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to make pan-fried dumplings at home. First, prepare the ground pork, green onions, light soy sauce, cooking wine, oil, sesame oil, salt, sugar, ginger paste, and 5 spice powder. Add all the ingredients and seasoning into a mixing bowl. Gently stir in one direction until everything is evenly mixed. You can use the store-bought spring roll wrappers or wonton wrappers. Either one works. Prepare a small amount of water and set aside. Take one wonton wrapper. Add a small amount of filling in the center. Dab a bit of water on one corner first, then start folding. Roll up about 1/3 of the wrapper from the bottom. Fold up the left and right corner inward so they meet in the center. Then continue to rolling up tightly to seal the filling inside. After wrapping, heat the non-stick pan over low heat and add a small amount of oil to coat the bottom. Place the dumpling into the pan, sealed side facing down. Cover with the lid, and then turn the heat up to medium-low. Be careful not use a high heat, as the bottoms can burn easily. Check after about 1 minute. Once the bottoms turn golden and sealed side is firm, lift the dumplings. Add 2 tablespoons of water to the pan, and cover up the lid. Wait until the water has evaporated. Then remove the lid for extra crispiness. Lift the dumplings and pan-fry the other side until golden. Homemade dumplings are ready to serve. Simple and delicious. Enjoy!